and this little space, it's like an addition to our kitchen, and we don't have anything but our little money tree and these swivel chairs. But my idea for this space is to turn it into like a breakfast nook, make it really cute and really nice. So that's what we're going to talk about. Now I want to show you guys how many ideas there are on Pinterest. I know that Pinterest, it can be either amazing or you can hate it because you just want to do everything that you see on there. But I personally love it because I get so many ideas. So I want to show you guys these that I found. And so my idea for this little room is just that. I'm going to transform it, and I'm pretty much just going to find things on my own, get ideas off of Pinterest, off of Instagram, and then just go to Home Goods, go to Ross, all the stores that I have nearby where you can buy things. Or you can also, of course, go to IKEA or shop online at Wayfair or Overstock, wherever you get your furniture and all those things.